September 28th, 2020 DMR, or Daily Math Review. Number 1, simplify the following expression. So we have 5 minus 2 squared plus 12 divided by 4. So we're going to show our work here. I'm actually going to go along with this, which you can do as well. And you do not have to, but I'm going to make sure this goes all the way down. And so first what we're going to do is we're going to see, okay, do we have any parentheses? No, we don't. So I'm going to check off that parentheses. Do we have any exponents? Yes, we do. So our exponent is 2 to the second power, or 2 squared. So what is 2 squared, or 2 to the second power? Well, I know that that means 2 times 2, which is going to equal 4. So down here, I'm going to put my 4. Now, make sure you bring everything else down that we didn't use yet. So that 5 minus, so we have that 4 plus 12, and then that divided by 4. I'm going to put this in a different color so that we know that is the color that we just solved. So now we have 5 minus 4 plus 12 divided by 4. Do we have any more exponents? No, we don't. So I'm going to check that off. Do we have any multiplication or division? Yes, we do. And how do we go about that? Oh yeah, from left to right. So I'm going to take my magic wand. I'm going to go beep, 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 beep. So there's our first and only, in this case, multiplication or division when you go from left to right. So 12 divided by 4. What is 12 divided by 4? Oh yeah, I know 12 divided by 4 is 3. So I'm going to write that 3 down there. And make sure you bring everything else down that we did not use yet. So we have that 5 minus 4 plus, and then we have that 3. Alrighty, we're getting close to being done now. So, do we have any more multiplication and or division? Remember, we go from left to right on that. Nope, we do not, so I'm going to check that off. What about addition or subtraction? Yeah, we've got both. Oh no, how do I go about this? From left to right, duh. So let's take our magic wand. We're going to go from left to right. Beep, 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 beep. So there's the first one. We have 5 minus 4. So 5 minus 4 is going to be 1. So I'm going to go down here. 1. Bring everything else down we did not use yet. So we did not use that plus or that 3. Now we only have one problem. So we have addition or subtraction? Yes, we do. 1 plus 3. What is 1 plus 3? Oh yeah, that's 4. Duh, easy peasy. Look how simple we made this. So our answer here is going to be 4. So, are we done with our addition and subtraction? Yes, we are. And we're done with our order of operations. There's our answer. You can circle it if you want to. You do not have to. But if you would like to, you can. And that circle, I'm going to make that transparent there so that you can see. And that is all for our DMR.